Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to compare patient medical history on their myGC profile versus what is available at the practice. The Compare Medical History feature helps practitioners manage updated medical data submitted through myGC. When a patient or dependent submits their medical history via myGC, it appears as a view-only document in the system's notebook. This ensures the practitioner can carefully decide what to keep and what to update in the official medical history. The compare function allows the practitioner to review this information side by side with the existing data already stored in the system. Fields submitted through myGC are displayed in gray and cannot be edited. This ensures the practitioner can carefully decide what to keep and what to update in the official medical history. Please note, this feature is only available if your practice has myGC enabled and the patient or debtor is linked to a valid myGC profile. Let's get started. We'll begin on the medical history screen. For more information on how to navigate here, please refer to the Clinical Screen Navigation and Use user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the panel you would like to compare to expand the panel. Thereafter, click on the Compare Mode Off button. This will switch to Compare Mode On. The panel now displays two sides. The editable side is for the practitioner. The grey non-editable side shows the patient's submission from myGC. Click on the field you would like to manually update based on the comparison. For instance, we can change the patient's exercise regime and also include additional information about the regime in the fields provided. We can do the same for all the other fields and tabs as well. Once done, click Save to save your changes. Thereafter, click Close to return to the diary screen.